Hey there, superstars. Happy September. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for September 2021 in all 6 astrology dimensions. As one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers at the highest level and as the inventor of unique and instant astrology tools, I've now helped tens of thousands of people in the US and around the world to make real progress toward their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that notification bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos are released. Unfortunately, September's another crummy month like June was. Like in June, we only have 4 best days in September. Unlike June, at least they're spread out throughout the month. The 4 best days in September, shown in yellow here, just have more positives and fewer negatives than the neutral days in white or the worst days in gray. I've warned you before that 2021 and 2022 have many heartbreaks in the universal sky that we'll need to work around. September exemplifies this. The Magi Society is advocating that you wait out the entire month of September for starting anything super important. Patience, my friends. Knowing when to make your move and when to wait really does get you there faster in the long run, even if it feels like you're just sitting around while others are moving forward. Let them. Starting new things under heartbreak stars leads to heartbreak outcomes. In the first run of worst days in September, Sun parallel the Saturn-Varuna midpoint can feel like you're caught in solar winds, being blown hither and yon while being deep-fried at the same time. And please don't fall into the Earth, Eros, Uranus, Xanthus triangle in Helio Zodiac 7. It's a sexual or impulsive Bermuda triangle just waiting to happen, especially if you're in sketchy personal transits. Please temper yourself and be wise. The second 3-day run of worst days in September is likely to be really garbagey for all kinds of interpersonal relationships. Business, groups, love, everything. Earth is in a disgusting grand cross with the Saturn-Vesta outcast midpoint and the Saturn-Uranus infamy midpoint. Please tread lightly, communicate with diplomacy and consideration, and forgive others their faux pas. We'll need all our skills of focus, determination, and patience to continue to move forward in 2021 and 2022. We'll have to choose our big dates with great care. These are tough times for finding good days, but there are always a few. Let someone else ignore right timing and crash and burn. Be the wise one that knows. To see the specific best and worst days for love and for money, please click on the link below. DIY info for calculating your personal transits and a coupon are also below. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on my new website, still located at MagiHelena.com. Visit me now. Text astrology to 51555. Our stamina and resilience continue to be tested, along with our ability to stay hopeful, balanced, attuned, and centered in our truth. Tough times can strengthen you in ways that easy times can't. Hang in there. Do your best. Keep your expectations reasonable and trust the process. Here's wishing you a more than just satisfactory September.